There are many types of formative assessments teachers can use for diverse students. Think, Pair, Share is one formative assessment teachers can use. This is where a teacher will ask the students a question. The students will answer the question, compare it with a partner, and then share it with the entire class. Think, Pair, Share is beneficial because it allows students to share and express their ideas with another student so they can learn from each other. It forces students to open up and interact with one another. Think, Pair, Share is good for students with diverse learning needs because it allows them to use their classmates to help them on a topic that they might be confused about. It forces students to work together. So again, students can learn from each other and share their ideas with one another. I'll use it in my classroom by giving students the opportunity to answer the question on a whiteboard. Then they can get with a partner and share their answer with a partner and express their ideas with each other, and then eventually share and discuss with the entire class. I'll use mini whiteboards. They'll need dry erase markers, and I'll use the popsicle sticks for them to find their partner. So there will be 2 popsicle sticks with the same color that they'll pick from, and they'll partner up with the other individual that has the same color popsicle stick as them. So for example, if I was teaching a lesson on the environment, I can ask the students, what are the 4 seasons of the year? For example, they can write their answers on their whiteboard, then they pick out a popsicle stick, find their partner, share their answers with each other, then we can discuss them all together as a class and open up the discussion to the entire class. Typically, I would do this at the end of a lesson with about 20 minutes left in class. Give them 5 minutes to write the answers themselves, 10 to 15 minutes to discuss with their partner, and then 5 minutes at the end to discuss with the entire class. Think, Pair, Share could be used in an elementary, middle school, or high school setting. Elementary and middle school settings particularly, they would use the whiteboards and the popsicle sticks. In high school, you probably wouldn't have to use those materials. You could probably just do it with them writing on paper, getting with a partner and discussing. Don't necessarily need the other materials. But like I said, Think, Pair, Share is a great way to use, great way of formative assessment to use with diverse students.